I won't leave Baguio without walking sa Station Road. So, yun na nga, I waited for the stop and then yun, lumandi na sa paglalakad. Ambitious frog. Anyways, bumaba na kami down the Harrison Road and whatnot. And there, napaka-haba ng night market dyan. Like, it only opens at 9 p.m. Wow, haba talaga. And I was like, nakakapagod. So, ayan, lakad-lakad lang tayo. Baka mahanap kasi wala pa talagang mahanap. Habang naghahanap, hindi mo malalaman, mababangga ka na lang sa taong, ikaw na ba yun? Charot. Well, you can't be walking too long without having to eat, so there are a lot of